Hello, welcome to NOLA Stamping. I'm Barb Baldwin, and today we're continuing on with the crafty copycat creations. So this month we're leaning into all the holidays that are in December, and we're making a really cool way to just give a gift and just have it packaged up nicely and easy. So this is for my Secret Santa at my office. These are some hand sanitizer sprays I got at Costco, and I love the way that this makes it really dress up the hand sanitizers, but it was really super easy to cut the paper, make multiples, but then each one feels like a separate little gift for each person. So the magic of this is that you take the width of the thing that you're trying to package and add an inch on each side. So for this hand sanitizer, it's 2¼ inches wide. So I'm just cutting my piece of paper 4¼ inches and then scoring it 1 inch from each side along the long side. And then the height is 3¾ inch tall. So I'm scoring it like about 1/2 inch less than that. So 3½ inches, 4 inches, 7¾ and 8½. So like you could, if you have something similar sized, you can just do the width of it to make the little basket that it's going to go in, and then just wrap it around like you would wrap a present, just to make it a little bit easier for you if you don't have this exact same item. So, but I had all the measurements because I'd figured it out. And so then on that last little 1/2 inch at the edge, I decided to fold back so that you could see both sides of the paper, just to give it a little bit of an accent when the thing is folded over. So, and I really like how this gives you something that'll just sort of class something up. I was able to make 2 out of a sheet of paper, and I was using up some of the paper that I had that was extra. So this was all good. Okay, so this is the most important thing. So we've done the 1/2 inch on each side, and you folded where the bottom of the item is going to go, the bottom front of where the item is going to go. So what you want to do is pull and put that fold line on the 1 inch fold line. So we're making like a triangle, and just go ahead and score that, and then do that for each one of the sides. So for the 2 fronts, do the that same triangle thing where you're going to take that fold line that you folded for the front of the item, and then match it up on that 1 inch fold line that's on the sides. And then for the back fold, do that same thing so that the triangle goes that same way. So you have to flip it over if you want to match that fold line up with the 1 inch fold line. So it's just sort of folding it in, and then what you're going to want to do is take like a tape runner or a little thing to just your liquid adhesive, and only attach the very top. So like where you just folded, make sure there's no adhesive there, but you just want to go ahead and attach that top part, and then along the side there, you can just tack down a little bit of adhesive there. And then when you fold your little shape down, then you've created like a little box bottom for your item to go into. So this is just like a perfect little wrapper for the thing that you are doing. Okay. So I'm taking the extra little piece of paper, and we're going to make a belly band that'll go around the item. And that'll like keep everything closed, and it'll give you an opportunity to make a little sentiment that goes on top of it. So the belly band, for my thing, I made it 3/4 of an inch, and I could have just done 3/4 of an inch and then just wrapped it around and cut it off. Like that would be the easy way to do this. But I knew the dimensions, so I made one that was 7 inches, and then scored it at 1 1/4, 2 inches, 4 1/4, and 5 inches. Just because my thing is perfectly square, so that made it a lot easier. I felt that this would be a really easy way to show you how quick and easy this goes together, and how easy it is to do. So let's get to stamping. This is the fun part for me. I really enjoy stamping. So I got some real red ink, and I'm stamping using the Pine Tree Trimmings bundle, which was an online exclusive in September. And that's got the tree. And then I'm also using a little cheer bundle. Well, it's the stamp set that goes with the bundle. Also, this is on sale right now, so that's kind of cool. I really like that it's perfect for making things to give as gifts. It's got a bunch of cool sentiments. So it's got like sending a little cheer, and then it's got the star that kind of matches the stars with the tree. So I thought that worked out really perfectly. And then, of course, the little to from. So I'll just put, from your Secret Santa on this for my office. And then I got out a couple of twines that are from my stash. And I felt like there was just so much red already that it was better to use the old olive instead of the red baker's twine. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach my shapes. I cut the larger circle using one of the larger shapes from the Stylish Shapes die set. And then I'm just punching a hole in the top of that tree so that I can put the twine in. And I'm just going to use that to attach that little tag at the very top, just to make it so that it's easy to give a gift. Like just put the name of the recipient. Like if you didn't exactly know who was going to, or if you were just doing a Secret Santa and you didn't want to give away with your handwriting. So I've used this same style to give baked goods, banana bread, and cookies like in the past. So I'll have the cookie or the banana bread packaged up, and then I use that same sort of style where it's just got the little 1-inch border around the width to keep the thing inside of the packaging. Just to give it a little bit of giftiness to it. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that sentiment to the circle, which is attached to the belly band, and that sort of keeps everything in place. So all we have left to do is embellishments. So I'm going to use up some of the white stars from the Halloween embellishment set. They had like a puffy stars that were like black, purple, and white. And the white looks perfect and ties in so great with the stars that are already on there. So it'll just give it a little bit of a touch. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my odd number of stars on there. And then that is it. Well, I'd love for you to play along and try your hand at this Crafty Copycat Creations Challenge. So join our public Facebook group. Just search for Crafty Copycat Creations on Facebook. And it's the perfect place to post your projects, see what other people are making, and cheer each other on. So until next time, stay crafty.